Are you looking for an office chair? In this video, I will show you the best office chairs of 2020 for home or work based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The third product on the list is the Hon Volt Task Stool. If you need a more compact task chair, then look no further than the Hon Volt Task Stool. It's a robustly built, high-quality affair, which at the same time manages not to be overpriced. Available in fabric or leather, this chair lacks armrests, as you can see, but the broad idea is that you don't really need them, and that it makes a great accompaniment to a standing desk if you have one. The Hon Volt Task Stool allows you to swivel round 360 degrees, and you can use the foot ring underneath the seat to help you balance. The downsides of this Hon offering are that it's not rated to support as much weight as some of the other chairs here, and some folks may miss the armrests, although note that they can be ordered as an optional extra if you wish. Overall though, this is a well-liked task chair with some good feedback in terms of online reviews. The second product on the list is the IKEA Markus. IKEA's Markus chair has been around for a long time, and is a well-liked option for many folks who want one of the best office chairs around without having to break the bank. You don't get much in the way of adjustments with the Markus, at least not compared to the fancier ergonomic chairs around. But this is a sturdy seat that offers a comfortable upright sitting position, with a long back and integrated headrest. Furthermore, the back is made of mesh material to let the air through and provide better breathability, which is always good for those longer sitting sessions. You can adjust the Markus for height, tilt, and the back can be locked in place, or it can be reclined. So there's a decent amount of adjustability, and overall, this is a solid chair which is well made for the money. An unexpected bonus in this price bracket is that this IKEA product comes with an impressive 10-year guarantee. The first product on the list is the Humanscale Freedom. Humanscale makes some seriously nifty high-end ergonomic office chairs, and the Freedom is, for us, the pinnacle of that niftiness. It not only looks fabulous, particularly in the leather option, which offers additional advantages in case of accidental drink spillages, but the really clever bit is that the Freedom is designed to do away with the complex knobs or levers that many ergonomic options can baffle you with. Instead, it adjusts itself automatically to fit the ideal ergonomics for your body. For example, when reclining in the chair, it automatically adjusts the backrest resistance to the optimal level. The end result is a whole lot of comfortable sitting, without having to do any thinking about tension settings and so forth. There are, of course, some adjustable elements, including the armrests which move in tandem. You can also slide the seat pan forwards or backwards, and adjust the height of the backrest, and the headrest simply by pulling it in the latter case. In fact, all these adjustments are dead easy to make. So there is a lot to like here, but the downside is that this is not an office chair for the faint of wallet. Bear in mind, however, that the pricier models are the leather and polished aluminum offerings. Remember that there are versions with plain fabric and a graphite frame. They might not look as high-end, but they still provide the same superb sitting experience, often for hundreds of dollars less. Also note that this chair is backed by a 15-year warranty, which inspires confidence for sure. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.